Hello friends, welcome again to the series all about counting. Episode number 6, Circular Seating Arrangement. Our heroes Ali, Baba and their 3 friends went to the school canteen. They occupied 5 seats around a circular table. How many different seating arrangements are possible? Now we know that we want to arrange 5 persons in a circular seating arrangement. Instead of circular seating arrangement, if we want to arrange them in a row like this, then how many seating arrangements are possible? All of we know the answer. When we want to arrange 5 persons in a row, number of possible sitting arrangements are 5 factorial. Now these endpoints of the line I can join and I can make this linear sitting arrangement in circular sitting arrangement like this. Now we are going to see what is the difference between linear arrangement and circular arrangement. Suppose the first person A, he has occupied this seat. Now from his seat, how we can see the remaining positions. Just observe here. So from this chair, we will get one person sitting at the right side of A, one person sitting at the left side of A, and 2 persons are sitting in front of A. Instead of this seat, if A occupies any one seat from the remaining 4, then we are going to see, is there any change in these arrangements? Here, just instead of this seat, suppose A occupies this seat. Then from this direction, how the other arrangements appear? Just observe here. From this side also, we will find one person at the right of A, one person at the left of A, and 2 persons are sitting in front of A. What it means? A can occupy any seat from these 5. Then from his direction, from the direction of A, all the remaining positions will appear in the same pattern. One person at the right, one person at the left, and 2 persons in front of that person A. So now all these seats, these 5 seats are identical. A can occupy any one seat from these 5 seats, and with respect to A, now we are going to arrange the remaining 4 persons at these 4 positions. Now with respect to A, you can number these seats as either 1, 2, 3, 4 if I go in anti-clockwise direction, and if I go in clockwise direction, then numbering will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just like this linear arrangement, either I can number the seats from left to right, or I can number the seats from right to left. Same way here, I can number the seats in anti-clockwise direction, or I can number the seats in clockwise direction. Now our question is, remaining 4 persons, in how many ways we can arrange at these 4 positions. Now for these 4 positions, as the numbering is possible, this arrangement is very much similar to the linear arrangement, and therefore answer of this question, in how many ways we can arrange 4 persons at these 4 seats. Answer of this question can be given using this technique of linear arrangement, and answer is here 4 factorial. So now first person A can occupy any one seat from these 5 identical seats. As the seats are identical, number of ways in which A can occupy a seat will be 1. And now with respect to A, the remaining 4 persons can occupy these 4 seats will be 4 factorial ways. Okay, so the answer of this question is number of possible circular arrangement will be 1 multiplied by 4 factorial. So final answer will be 4 factorial. From the case discussed above, we can conclude to the following. If n persons want to occupy the seats around a circular table, then the number of possible sitting arrangements are n minus 1 factorial.